O eto George, pakinggan mo to. May iba't ibang paraan ng tao sa pagpapahayag ng kanyang pagmamahal. Ang ilan sa pamamagitan ng mga material na bagay, habang ang ilan ay sa paggawa. Yan ng isang grupo ng mga kalalakihan sa Vietnam na pumasok pa sa isang cooking class upang matutong ipagluto ang kanilang mga minamahal. Silipin natin yan sa report namin kasama ang si Dina Pagibitan.
Karaniwan ng mga bulaklak o material na bagay ang mga regalo o ibinibigay sa mga kababaihan tuwing Women's Day o Mother's Day. Ngunit ibahin nyo ang mga kalalakihang ito sa Hanoi, Vietnam. Pinili kasi nilang ipagluto ang kanilang mga nanay at kasintahan bilang pagpapakita ng pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at pasasalamat sa mga ito sa pamamagitan ng pag-e-enroll sa isang cooking class. Si Rafael nagtratrabaho bilang foreign language teacher sa Hanoi. Bagamat mula sa France, mayroon na raw siyang paghanga sa kultura at pagkain ng Vietnamese. Kaya naman ang mabalitaan ang tungkol sa cooking class na tinawag na Men in the Kitchen. Agad siyang nag-enroll dito.
I decided to attend this class because my friend introduced me to it. And I love cooking. Cooking is really something I enjoy doing. And back home, my friend is also Vietnamese, so he showed me and I learned a lot about this Vietnamese food, and I'm really eager to know more about it. And maybe one day I can cook professionally some Vietnamese food. I would be happy to do that.
Kasama ang tatlong iba pa, sa loob lamang ng 2 oras ay natutong magluto si Rafael ng seafood soup, snails fried southwestern style, at shrimp steamed in coconut milk. Tinuruan din ng mga wannabe chef ng basic steps sa pagluluto gaya ng pagbili at paglilinis ng mga ilulutong pagkain. Gayon din ang mismong pagluluto at presentation.
I like cooking, so that's why I joined this class. And because she say me, my friend should say me, that is because of women. So according to Indian culture, women are very important in our life. So because of that, I will come here and learn cooking. And for women, I always want to help them.
I'm attending this cooking class because I want to help my mother and become a chef in the future.
Papuri naman ang natanggap ng mga estudyante sa kanilang guro.
More and more men have come to our center to learn how to cook recently. Want to share the housework with their mothers and wives or give them a surprise on their special day, and some want to become chefs. They're all very intelligent, creative, smart, and skilled in cooking.
Matapos ang cooking class, agad na umuwi si Rafael at nagluto ng shrimp steamed in coconut milk para sa kanyang girlfriend.
Alex cũng rất thích nấu ăn.
I was so surprised. The food is great. Although he always started to learn how to cook Vietnamese food recently, he's managed to cook a delicious soup. I am very happy to enjoy the soup, especially on Women's Day.
Bạn em có thể nấu được mấy món ăn mà em cảm thấy rất là hài lòng.
I always feel happy when my friend or my girlfriend like what I've been cooking for a long time. Sometimes I put a lot of effort and a lot of anything myself into it. And so the best reward is to see a smile on their face and to know that they like it.
Ang nasabing cooking class ay isinasagawa kada taon para sa International Women's Day na ipinagdiriwang sa Vietnam tuwing March 8. Tumatagal ito ng 3 araw at nagkakahalaga ng mahigit 6,000. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Dina Pagibitan.